How to access your Liberty Mutual insurance card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can access your Liberty Mutual insurance card. You can do this through the application or through the website. For the website, tap open any web browser you want and head over to libertymutual.com. Now tap on the login option. Now you want to enter your email or username, then enter your password and tap on the login option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to tap on the My Policies section. Now you want to find the specific auto policy you want to view. For that, tap on the insurance card option. Now click on the link to view your insurance card. To print, select the print option, which will be open on a printable version of your insurance card. If you're not able to do this using your app or website, you can also contact the customer support of Liberty Mutual. Then you can request a copy of your insurance card. They can mail you a physical card or provide instructions for accessing it online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.